Oh my god, Friki, look at those hands. It's so thick. Hello and welcome to Sculpt Through with me, Friki Mids. This time I'm going to talk about the process of sketching a full body figure using soft modeling wax. Here I've just finished making an armature using twisted aluminum wire. It's a simple one. I only did the legs and spine, and if you're asking where are the arms in the armature, we'll get to that later. In sketching, the important thing is getting the shapes, the basic shapes and the proportion right. You need to get the silhouette right first. Details can come later. For that, I usually fill up the trunk with basic shape for the rib cage, the abs and the pelvis. After doing that, I go to flesh out the legs, which is the thigh, define the knee and the calves, rounding it off with making the foot. And here I made the armature for the arms using twisted aluminum wire. I need this because, as you can see in the reference, the hands and arms of this figure is quite thick and beefy, so a good support is necessary. One of the neat things of doing this sketch in wax is you can sculpt the figure in a neutral standing pose and then pose the figure any way you want later. The important thing to note that wax is very temperature dependent. So having a heat source to warm the wax will make your sculpting easier. Here you can see me using the alcohol torch to melt the wax for more speedier blending and faster shaping and smoothing. Temperature control is very important while working with wax. Here you can see me sculpting the fingers, just big sausages. I manipulate the fingers by cutting the ridges and posing the fingers on the hands as I want. And here I'm sculpting the head and face. Nothing new if you have seen my previous video. The prominent feature of the face is mostly the nose and the mouth, since the eyes are covered by her bangs. Talking about the subject of the figure, the subject of this figure is called Nika, an original creation of a friend of mine, Formaldehyde. He does great character design, and for the color reference you see in the left side is a fan art from another friend of mine, Ian C Samson. You can find both of their Tumblr art blog in the description below. They are both worth a follow, especially if you like sexy monsters. This is just a warm-up sketch I did for a stream. The main course will be in the next video. I'll give you a sneak peek of what it is in the screen right now. And that is a wrap for this video. Do show your thoughts and comments below. And if you enjoyed this stuff, why not subscribe and ring that bell to get notified for new videos I've uploaded. For now, I wish you take care, be well, and happy sculpting. See you next time!